This video is about note-taking strategies. Note-taking is an essential learning skill in college. Carefully organized notes give you the opportunity to understand and learn what you have heard. Notes can be an important tool for reviewing and studying class material and helping you prepare for exams. This video discusses the 5 best methods for taking notes. Learn about these different methods and find out what works best for you. The 5 methods we're going to discuss are the outlining method, Cornell Note-Taking, mind mapping, flow method, and taking notes on PowerPoint slides. The first method is the outlining method. This is a very common form of note-taking. It allows students to organize information in a logical manner. You use Roman numerals, letters, and numbers to organize your outline. The outline method can be broken down into major topics, main ideas, and then key points and details. Indenting your information under the main idea can help understanding your written information better. The outline format can be used if the lecture is presented in a structured way and can be most helpful for more traditional courses. The second method is the Cornell Note-Taking method. The idea is to break your paper into 3 sections. The right column is where you take notes in class. The left column is the recall or key points column. Here you can highlight keywords, create questions to study from, and make connections to other material from your experience or from the textbooks. When you're studying for a test, you can cover up the right column and use the recall column to ask yourself questions to test yourself. At the bottom of the notes is a summary section. After class, use this space at the bottom of the page to summarize the notes on that page. Reading these summaries is a great review for tests. Here is a blank Cornell note-taking sheet. You could copy something like this into your notes, or you could also do it digitally. Here's an example of Cornell note-taking from a bio lecture about jellyfish. In the details column, there are color-coded notes about jellyfish. Then in the key points column, there are questions to study from and vocab. At the bottom is a short summary of the lecture. The third method is mind mapping. This is where you write the main topic in the middle box or circle, then draw arrows from the main topic and write the subheadings or topics. You can draw lines from each subtopic and write key points like keywords, explanations, supporting details, and examples. And right here they have an example where the main topic was climate change, and then they have arrows to different topics like evidence, causes, and solutions, so you're kind of just building off of each of those main topics. Here's an example of a blank mind map. The main topic will go in the middle, and then the arrows are drawn from the main topics to the subtopics or headings. You can decide how many subtopics you need as you take notes. Next is the flow method. Here you are writing down information, except instead of recording it into a bulleted list, you organize it spatially with arrows and connecting ideas. You can use diagrams and images to represent new ideas, and you can make connections between new topics and what you already know. Here's another example of what the flow method might look like. The last is taking notes on PowerPoint slides. A lot of professors will have PowerPoint slides with the main ideas of what they are discussing in class. You can create a sheet to take notes on. If you open your slides and go to print, click on layout and choose handouts 3 slides per page. Now you can just print out the slides and you will have a notes section for each slide. You can take additional notes on what the professor is saying about each slide. If you want to take notes from PowerPoint slides digitally, simply take notes straight in PowerPoint. Under each slide, there is a section for notes. Add bullet points for each of the main things your professor says about the slide. Need additional help with note-taking? Visit the Tutoring and Academic Assistance Center, or the TAAC, and make an appointment with an academic coach at the Brighton or downtown campus.